This is a para summary question. In this question, a paragraph has been given, and from the given options, we have to choose the best summary of the paragraph. The paragraph talks about Jefferson, who combined philosophic principles and pragmatic effectiveness as a politician. He believed in the human reason and hence in the decisions of the majority. He also believed that the central government should be rigorously frugal and simple, and hence he reduced the costs associated with the governments and paid off the government's debts. Limiting the federal government flowed from a strict interpretation of the constitution. Let us look at the options. Option A. Jefferson urges the decadent and enfeebled modern government to forego its obsession with power and give importance to a rigorously frugal and simple style of governance. He practiced what he preached. This option is wrong because number one, we do not know whether the modern government was decadent and enfeebled. Number two, we did not know that they had an obsession with power. Number three, he practiced what he preached is a very general statement, while the paragraph only talks about the political philosophies of Jefferson. Option B. Jefferson urges the decadent and enfeebled modern government to respect the will of the absolute majority and ignite a zest for good governance. He exemplified his commitment to his ideology during his tenure as the president. This option is perfectly correct except for the fact that we do not know whether the modern government was decadent and enfeebled. Option C. Jefferson criticizes the power-centric system of governance for enfeebling the course of governance by not respecting the will of the absolute majority. He practiced what he preached. In this option, again, he practiced what he preached is a very general statement, while the paragraph only talks of political philosophy. Secondly, we do not know that the system of governance was power-centric. Jefferson believed in the decision of the majority, but it does not say that the governance that was there was power-centric. So option C is also incorrect. Option D says Jefferson believes in respecting the will of the majority and the benefits of a system of governance which is both frugal and simple. His tenure exemplifies his commitment to his ideology. This is the correct summary of the paragraph because it does not talk of the government before, but it talks of the philosophical ideology of Jefferson, which says that he respected the will of the majority and understood the benefits of the system of governance, which is both frugal and simple, and his philosophical ideology was exemplified during his tenure. So option D is the correct answer to this question.